we'll try and just do it like this. I think the time's going. Does it do better this way though? Well, here's the truck that comes to Bill's house, and pretty crazy. Comes from New Bedford. Probably some Portuguese dude that doesn't speak good English. Ocean Star. Homer's Wharf. Alright. And what they do, they're here to pick up Captain Bill's fish. The little skiff that they use to go out to the big boat. This is real workman stuff. This ain't no dinky paint stuff. Alright. Honda Power. And here comes Harold. Say hi. Oh, I'm on the wrong side.
Fender I made.
So point that down at that.
Right on the.
Point it right down at that.
Oh, the fender.
There you go.
Nice one, Bill.
Nice and slow.
You can stand on it.
I like the ride in that car, man.
Alright.
Yeah, that's his.
Good. How are you?
Pretty good.
George. Tony, George.
George, how you doing?
Pretty good. Harold, how are you?
How's New Bedford going today?
Wonderful.
You live there?
Yes.
Nice. I'm born and raised there.
I live in the Union Street.
Oh, Tony Fajon.
Next to Motivation.
Okay, and they're loading this stuff up, and I guess
Bus station.
say bye, Harold.
Bye, Tony.